temptate Jesus. And there are three basic forms of temptation. First, lust of the flesh. So, as you watch the video, the first Satan to Jesus is when he commanded Jesus to turn the rock into bread. And number two, three basic form of temptation. Right? Life. When Satan takes Jesus to the temple and commands him to jump. So that is the second temptation of Jesus. And the third, last of the eyes, when Satan takes Jesus up to the high mountains to show the kingdom. And he said that if you praise me, I will give it to you. So ihatag ni Satan tanan sa Ginoo kung iyang simbahon si Satan. So Satan tried to tempt Jesus for how many? 40 days. Okay, Mr. Jingwen, can you stand up?
3 times.
3 times, okay.
Ala. Ngayon, surprise ko, bigyan ko ah.
Piyong. What or who tempted us? Is it God who tempted us?
No.
Anyone? Is it Miss Manang Ila? Can you stand up? Is it God who tempted us?
Na pouch na na. Na pouch. Pouch. Doon na pouch. Why?
Okay, thank you. So,
Pochira. Tubliron ba?
okay, so what or who tempted us? God is not the source of temptation. Who is the source of temptation?
Satan.
Satan. So why God allows temptation? Because
To test
can you stand up?
Satan dapat temptation sa God because Satan believe that nasa side pa si God wala ka na test kami ato faithfulness and how we can stand with God.
Okay, thank you very much. So you are happy for God is not the source. He allows us to be tried because as human beings we are the children of God. So God allows temptation to try us, to challenge how strengthened our faith in Him. That is why God allows temptation. Moving on. So according to the CFC, the Catechism for Filipino